Today, we will talk about how to sell Mary Kay. Let's have a look at the details. Becoming a Mary Kay beauty consultant is easy enough. The real trick is in learning to market your Mary Kay business, so you can sell products. Luckily, there are plenty of ways to get more customers, allowing you to sell more Mary Kay products in person and online. Our how-to guide has the tips you need to start learning how to sell Mary Kay products like a pro. The first step is to become a consultant. Find an existing consultant. If you already know a Mary Kay consultant, you can go to her for help. If you do not know a consultant, however, you can look for one in your area using the Mary Kay website. Talk to your consultant. If you already have a relationship with your consultant, go to her directly using whichever method of contact you usually use. If you do not know your consultant yet, however, you can contact her through her profile on the Mary Kay website. Purchase a starter kit. The standard price of a Mary Kay starter kit is $100, plus shipping and tax, but there are occasional sales and special offers you can take advantage of. Go through the kit. Take the time to sort through all the instructions and guides provided in your starter kit. There will be several DVDs and CDs, along with brochures and pamphlets with helpful selling tips. Attend a training meeting. Each Mary Kay consultant is part of an overall unit. To help you start selling, you'll want to go to a training meeting with the director of this unit. Get to work. Once you complete all of the outline steps, you'll be a stocked and trained Mary Kay beauty consultant. The next thing you'll need to do is simply to start selling. The second step is basic selling strategies. Give out samples. Your starter kit comes with samplers you can give others and retail-sized products you can use for demonstrations. You can also buy more samplers and demonstration products as you need them. Host parties and classes. Meet with potential customers one-on-one. You will want to follow up with each person who attended the party to address her specific needs and develop a better relationship with her. Manage your digital presence. Through Mary Kay, you can subscribe to have a personal website for your business for only $30 for the first year and $60 a year thereafter. Pass out catalogs. Leave product catalogs with prospective customers. You could also ask your local hair salon for permission to leave a catalog there. The third step is additional tricks of the trade. Meet the neighbors. Once you start selling, spread the word to your neighbors. Talk with neighbors who already know you and introduce yourself to a few new ones. Have the sense of Mary Kay. Mary Kay Ash told the consultants to be go give, not go get. Be kind and courteous, and always follow the golden rule. Have in mind to share what you love, not sell what you want to get rid of. It is not legal to advertise your business in any way that makes the company look cheap. Consider offering free gift wrapping for gifts purchased during a special occasion, like Mother's Day or Christmas. When you are a consultant, you can buy as much as you want for your own personal use, also at 50% off. Turn every party into a Mary Kay party. Be creative about print media placement. Leave catalogs, flyers, and business cards behind wherever you can. Give a little. A good way to make a great impression is to leave something special behind for someone who never expected it. Reward referrals. Let current customers know that you are willing to give them something extra if they refer another customer to you. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.